Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Apache unexpectedly shut down in XAMPP. This is a very easy fix. Now, first I want you to come here where it says Apache is the module. Come here, click on config, and then click on this first option right here, okay? And then you'll be on this page. This is the configuration page. We're going to define on which port we want to run Apache. So, this one right here, it is set to 80. You can make it 80. If you're still getting the error, you can change it to 8081 or 8888, 84 times basically. And then go ahead and save this. And after you've saved it, I want you to come here, the Apache module, and click on the start button to start Apache in your PC. And once the Apache, it is started, you'll see these messages, okay, that is started. You can see all of this. And as you can see right here, we can see this here in the port section 4438081. Okay, this means that Apache is running on port 8081 and 443 for HTTPS. Now, if you can go to your browser, you can actually check this out if the port you've configured is listening or not. So you just type in localhost 8081. Okay, and if the port is listening, you'll get to see this interface as such. And it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Sasha Gemar.